So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 of the easiest ways to make money online as a complete beginner so you can start earning extra income daily. The first method will certainly blow your mind because you will be paid $7,000 to $80,000 per year for watching Netflix. Although that may sound hard to believe, Netflix currently employs thousands of people in this position all over the world as hundreds of new movies and shows come out every day. They need more people to watch and tag them. What do you mean by tag them? Well, the job title for watching Netflix is a tagger. After you finish watching the movie or show, you will need to add category, genre, and ratings tags to the content. For example, if I watched a movie like Dune to Quacks, which is out of this world and full of action, I would tag the genre as science fiction and adventure. Then for the subgenre, it could be drama because of the intense plot, and maybe another subgenre would be romance because Timothée Chalamet was smooching Zendaya. Lastly, you need to rate its maturity level. In Dune's example, it would be PG-13 due to the fact that it's understandable by teens but has too much violence for kids. So if you were hired, your daily task would be to watch new movies and shows, take notes on what they are about, and then tag them with the correct info so Netflix can categorize them correctly to get hired. To get hired as a tagger, you need to apply on the official Netflix career website and take a test where you have to tag numerous shows and movies with the correct rating and genres. If you only like action movies or horror movies, this job is not for you. You need to have decent knowledge of all the genres to get paid $70,000 to $80,000 per year. The next way to earn some money from your computer is by using AI. To become a musician, I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. There's this website called Newbird, which allows you to create songs and instrumentals about anything you want. All you have to do is give the AI a prompt like a happy guitar solo for a sunny day, then select the length you want it to be, and Newbird will create a great copyright-free song for you. To make money from this, you can find clients like YouTubers who need copyright-free music for their videos or businesses who need copyright-free music for their ads. When they tell you the exact type of songs they need, you'll create them with Newbird AI. If you get one consistent client, it's possible that you can make a few $100s per month by simply typing in prompts and emailing your client the file Newbird created for them. To actually get those clients, you should create a freelancing listing on Fiverr and reach out to potential customers via social media. There's a decent market for this, but the only way to find out is by actually trying. Next step is another way to make money without much work because you'll be using AI. But instead of being an AI musician, this time you are going to be an AI website builder. The site called 10web.io allows you to create high quality websites in minutes for anything you need. All you have to do is create an account, answer a few questions about the site you want to create, and then after a few minutes of waiting, AI will build you a professional website. But of course, you're not going to be using it for yourself. You are going to do the same process you did as an AI musician. Find clients who need your service like a website. Create a website for them using AI and then get paid well for doing so. Unlike music, which doesn't pay super well, website design is a billion-dollar industry. The big dogs pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for the website. So I don't see why you couldn't charge over $100 for your AI website. The key to getting clients on freelancing sites like Fiverr is to start by charging a lower than average price for your service, so people choose you instead of other freelancers. Then as those customers leave reviews and you start to look more credible, you can increase your price. Next up is becoming a virtual assistant. This normally consists of the easiest jobs ever, like reading and responding to emails, scheduling things, organizing stuff, and other similar tasks that the business owner doesn't want to deal with. What's crazy is that becoming a virtual assistant could potentially pay you more than your current job. Most virtual assistants in America get paid $9 per hour minimum, which is double the minimum wage in some states. If you get hired by a super wealthy and nice businessman, you may even be paid more, plus bonuses on top of your hourly wage. So if you have a willingness to help someone understand the basics of the internet, it's possible to make good money as a virtual assistant. Plus, you could do this after your main job for some extra income. The next way to make money is by selling your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that allows you to make 6 figures per year from your house by selling the skills or knowledge skills you already have. For example, if you have played the guitar your entire life, you could sell guitar lessons for $100 and you did only need to do one lesson per week to make an extra $5, $200. And what's great is that this applies to any skill you have. If you are good at something, you can sell it on Fiverr. Let's say you make some TikTok edits on CapCut, sell those edits. If you are a great singer, sell Zoom call singing tutorials. If you are genius in history, tutor people struggling with history. I know every single one of you watching is really good at least one of the things. So use that skill to your advantage and monetize it as soon as possible. You don't even have to start on Fiverr if you don't want to. You can start in your local community by teaching athletes in your school how to play basketball, better tutoring students, spelling and math, and much more. Then as you start getting more clients, you can turn that side hustle into a full on-time business by outsourcing work and creating your own website. Next up is getting paid by good old Mr. Tesla, aka Elon Musk, by posting on his new platform X. For those who haven't heard of X, it is basically the same thing as Twitter. Thanks to Elon's massive influence, I personally don't use X because I never liked the app Twitter. But people on there are getting paid insane amount of money if their content goes viral. Any one of you watching this video could be paid these insane amount by posting viral content on X. X is literally paying you up to 97% of the revenue your content generates, which is unheard of. YouTube pays 50%, Twitch pays like 30%, and Instagram pays you practically nothing. So this opportunity Alan is giving X members is amazing. The only requirements are you need to have 500 followers to over 18 and have a Twitter Blue account that paid verification subscription. So you have the chance to get tens of thousands of dollars. So if you believe you can get some tweets or videos to go viral on X, you might as well give this method a shot. Next up is one of the first side hustle I made decent income from back in college days. It's selling print-on-demand clothing. How it works is you find or create a design related to something trendy like a holiday season, a famous actor, a sport, or anything like this. Then you go over to Teesprings or Printify and put that design on any of their print-on-demand products, which include t-shirts, pants, hats, hoodies, mugs, and more. Once you have created the clothing you want to sell, a Teesprings or Printify will build a sales page for you, and all you have to do is get people on that sales page. So they'll buy your print-on-demand product, which will make you money. There is no risk in doing this because you can create the design for free on Canva, create the product for free on Teesprings or Printify, and when people buy the clothing from Teespring or Printify, take care of shipping it to the customer and gives you a percentage of the profit. This is by far the best way to start a clothing brand because you don't have to spend thousands of dollars upfront on inventory. If you want to learn how to design and how to use Canva for making printables for print-on-demand business, then you can watch this video right here. So there you have it, and I think that you will also like these videos, so check them out here.